हरिओम। दुनिया में आके बंदिया भूला तू अपना करार है. This beautiful and thought-provoking bhajan is asking us to pause and ask ourselves, what did I come into this world for? What is the purpose of this life? When we were in the womb of a mother, we had made a promise to God, our real mother, our real parent, our Sakha, that this time when I am born as a human in this world, I will make the most of this precious opportunity and use this birth to unite with you, O Lord. And each one of us who's born as a human has made this promise to Him, a quiet, sacred commitment to God. But in the noise of life and the pull of this material world, have we forgotten it? This bhajan is a gentle reminder, a loving wake-up call, calling us back to what truly matters. दुनिया में आके बंदिया भूला तू अपना करार है, तेरे लिए भगवान ने कैसी रची बहार है. O sacred being, you came into this world, but you have forgotten your sacred promise to God. God has created such a beautiful world for you, not for you to get lost in it, but to recognize God through it. We didn't come here randomly, we came with a purpose, to know God, to love God, to discover Him within us, to see His omnipresence and to return back to Him. But instead of seeing His creation as a path to return to God, we got attached to this creation as a destination. वायदा गर्भ में था किया भूलूंगा तुझको ना हरी, फंस के मोह के जाल में भूला तू अपना करार है. In the womb, in complete helplessness, in complete darkness, we had promised God, "Oh God, get me out of it and I will never forget you. This birth I will unite with you." But the moment we came out, the moment we entered the world, we got trapped in it. Attachment, illusion, ego, and forgot that very promise we had given to God. We were conditioned to believe we are this wrong identity of a human body instead of our real identity. We forgot our real identity of pure, divine, eternal soul one with God. And we identified ourselves with this human body, which is simply a temporary vessel for us to realize God. We were conditioned to believe this is your mother, this is your father, this is your sibling, this is your friend, and so on, making us forget our real parent, our real Sakha, our everything, our God. And we also forgot our promise to Him. We forgot why we came here in the first place. Such is the attraction of Maya, the material world created by God. God created this beautiful world for us to enjoy, but we got trapped in it by attaching to it. The problem is not the world, the problem is forgetfulness. Let's wake up to the truth and love God intensely, spread His word, be His instrument, and unite with Him now and here. Let's surrender to the wisdom of a true Guru who has awakened us. Let's have a deep reverence for the Guru who found us, who told us the truth and made us see the divine through their role model. जिस हरि ने जन्म दिया उसका कभी न नाम लिया, जिससे प्रीत लगा रहा कोई न मददगार है. The one who gave you life, whose grace sustains every breath, you rarely remember Him. But the ones you are attached to, the people, the things, the temporary pleasures, you depend on. And all of these things cannot truly help you in the end. So, don't depend on temporary things. Don't find joy in temporary pleasures, because none of it is true. It's all an illusion, and at the end, all of it is only going to give you grief and pain. Don't invest love in the temporary and neglect the eternal. when challenges come, when we can't even deal with our own inner struggles, that's when we realize no relationship, no possession, no position, no wealth can give us ultimate refuge. None of it helps. All of this is temporary. Only God is the true refuge, true support, true joy. Let's love the Creator and experience His presence, experience eternal joy, experience His omnipresence, His presence in every part of the creation, and see our joy multiply. माया ने तुझको बावरे अपना दीवाना कर दिया, भक्ति प्रभु की छोड़ के विषयों से करता प्यार है. Maya, this illusory and temporary world, has made you restless, almost mad, running behind temporary pleasures. Instead of loving God, you have fallen in love with the Vishayas, the sense objects, distractions, material pleasures. Maya doesn't bind us forcefully. It fascinates us, distracts us, attracts us, and we forget what truly matters. Instead of attaining the eternal bliss of immersing in God's devotion, we ran behind material world's temporary pleasures and distractions. This is the deepest tragedy of the human being's journey, forgetting the purpose of life and getting lost in the temporary. But God is so merciful, so full of grace, that He came Himself in the form of a true Guru to hold our hand and walk us home. And now, if we leave Guru's hand, it will be the most foolish thing to do. Surrender to Him and let Him walk us home. लाखों हरि उपकार किए, भक्तों के बेड़े पार किए, सच्चे मन से जो याद करे होता वो मददगार है. God has done so many infinite favors on countless of His devotees, helped all devotees, seekers to remember the truth and start walking the path towards Him. He graced us with a true Guru, Satsang, Kalyan Mitras, and made the journey back home even more easier, comfortable and joyful. Through the true Guru, He is literally carrying each one of us across life's ocean. Whoever remembers Him, surrenders to Him with a true heart, He becomes their helper and takes full responsibility for them and makes them attain liberation now and here. God is not distant, He is just waiting for one sincere call, one loving bhav, and one determination of faith and surrender. He is right here to embrace us, love us, evolve us, liberate us, and to help us enjoy His presence 24/7 everywhere. He's making us fulfill our life purpose. What a merciful, deeply loving and magnanimous our Lord is. All we need is true, heartfelt remembrance and reciprocation of His infinite love. Life is not about doing more, but about remembering what we have forgotten. The promise we made, the love we once felt, the divine connection that still quietly lives within us. Let us pause, turn inward, and reconnect with that divine relationship, and never ever get disconnected. Let's unite with God and fulfill the purpose of this precious human life, the only avenue to return home to Him. The moment we truly remember Him, the moment we are awakened, the moment we love Him deeply, we meet Him, that's when we realize He had never forgotten us. He was always with us, around us. He's always around us, waiting for us to see Him, experience Him, walk back to Him. Keep walking the path towards God, with God, for God. Stay one with Him. Let's not forget the purpose for which we are here, the promise we made to Him. दुनिया में आके बंदिया, भूला तू अपना करार है. दुनिया में आके बंदिया, भूला तो अपना करार है. भगवान ने कैसी रची बहार है। दुनिया में आके बंदिया भूला तो अपना करार है। तेरे लिए भगवान ने कैसी रची बहार है। वायदा गरब में था किया भूलूंगा तुझको ना हरी। वायदा गरब में था किया भूलूंगा तुझको ना हरी। फंस के मोह के जाल में भूला तो अपना करार है। तेरे लिए भगवान ने कैसी रची बहार है। जिस हरि ने जन्म दिया उसका कभी न नाम लिया। जिस हरि ने जन्म दिया उसका कभी न नाम लिया। जिससे प्रीत लगा रहा कोई न मददगार है। तेरे लिए भगवान ने कैसी रची बहार है। दुनिया में आके बंदिया भूला तो अपना करार है। तेरे लिए भगवान ने कैसी रची बहार है। माया ने तुझको बावरे अपना दीवाना कर दिया। माया ने तुझको बावरे अपना दीवाना कर दिया। भक्ति प्रभु की छोड़ के विषयों से करता प्यार है। तेरे लिए भगवान ने कैसी रची बहार है। लाखों हरि उपकार किए भक्तों के बेड़े पार किए। लाखों हरि उपकार किए भक्तों के बेड़े पार किए। सच्चे मन से जो याद करे होता वो मददगार है। तेरे लिए भगवान ने कैसी रची बहार है। दुनिया में आके बंदिया भूला तो अपना करार है। तेरे लिए भगवान ने कैसी रची बहार है। कैसी रची बहार है। कैसी रची